All right, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to take a quiz on Elluminate. So you will have this access code on your Google Classroom, and then it will take you to this link. So right here it says student login. You are going to put your email, and if you do not know your email, we will also be linking all the emails so in case you need it. The access code is already there for you. And then you press next. So then you will confirm you're going to be taking reading checkpoint 2. This is the person that I'm modeling with, and then you will press confirm. Once you are doing that, you will read the directions. Sorry. Here is the story that we just did yesterday. You will answer the question. Once you have answered, then you go to the next question. And you go to the next question. So you can highlight, you can take notes, you can review, and then you can go to the next one, answer it. It saved it for you. Review, go to the next one. And then let me show you for number 5. So number 5 here today, guys, you're going to read the question and type out your response. So why was side tiles important, painting's importance? In a few sentences, answer using at least 2 details from the passage to support. So why are they important? And you are going to use 2 details. Once you are done, then make sure that all of them are answered. So I see that I still haven't answered 3. I don't want to finish because this is for somebody else. Then you will click finish, and so if you want to go back or if you want to finish, then you press finish. So make sure you have answered and you have completed. Good luck.